Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance repair tech, and a couple of months ago, I posted a couple of sponsored videos for Cascade. Since then, I've received a ton of comments from people telling me that it's impossible for a dishwasher detergent to help dry your dishes better. And first of all, before anybody comments, I'm going to preface this video by saying that this video is not sponsored. Nobody told me to say anything that I'm saying in this video, and if you don't believe me, rather than attempting to bully me in my comment section, I would invite you to report me to the FTC. Because if I'm lying and you can provide proof of that, I can be fined tens of thousands of dollars. And if you're not willing to do that, then you should probably go to therapy instead of harassing me as a result of your own insecurities, because that's just not healthy. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, why am I making a video about this 2 months after the fact? The main reason is because my mental health has been very poor lately, and I just haven't felt up to addressing the comments that people have left until now. The secondary reason is because apparently those videos have wound up on the wrong side of TikTok, and I've just been getting an onslaught of harassing comments that reminded me that I wanted to talk about these videos. Oh, and I've since turned off comments on both of those videos because I got tired of incels calling me a dishwasher and saying that they don't trust anything that I say because I have blue hair and rainbow glasses. Because every one of them makes the same, what they call, jokes over and over and over again. And I guess when you barely have two brain cells to rub together, that's what you find funny? I don't know. Oh, and my personal favorite, what the fuck are you? I'm sure that one took all the brain power you possess to come up with, huh, bud? Meanwhile, you're too much of a coward to show your face, just like all the rest of them. Chronically online and chronically alone. But I digress. The main reason why I'm making this video is to address what most people ask me on that video, which is, how can a dishwasher detergent help dry your dishes better? The answer is surfactants, which I did, in fact, mention in the sponsored video in question. But a lot of people didn't pay enough attention before commenting, apparently. Surfactants, even in very small quantities, can reduce the surface tension of water. How does lowering the surface tension of the water help dishes to dry faster? To quote an article from McGill University, surfactants reduce the attraction of water molecules for each other by getting in between them. This reduction in surface tension means that water is less likely to bead and therefore evaporates more readily. Basically, surfactants prevent water from clinging to your dishes. Surfactants are what's in Rinse-Aid, which is why Rinse-Aid is used to help dry your dishes. And they're also in Cascade Platinum Plus. Again, this video is not sponsored, which helps food and water slide off of your dishes during the wash cycle. I just wanted to pause to add one more thing regarding surfactants and the ingredients of Cascade Platinum Plus. I did hours upon hours of research for those sponsored videos into what the ingredients of different dishwasher detergents are, including Cascade Platinum Plus, and how they work. I wasn't asked to, I just did it because I always try to create sponsored content that's also informative and educational. Unfortunately, I couldn't fit all of that information into the sponsored videos because I needed to keep it under 60 seconds. It is an ad after all. But just know that when it comes to making a sponsored video, the information I'm providing you isn't just something that the brand told me is true. I was an AP kid when I was in school. I do my research. Plus, I've made multiple other videos that do go into detail about that. Now, as for those of you who commented to say that detergent can't prevent water from pooling on your dishes entirely, you're absolutely right. So how do you fix that? By loading your dishwasher correctly. The information I provided in those videos is correct, but it's about the dishwasher detergent itself. So it's assuming that you know how to load and use your dishwasher correctly and that your dishwasher isn't broken. So while yes, I do believe that Cascade is the best dishwasher detergent brand on the market right now, and again, this video is not sponsored, I do actually use Cascade at home, and yes, this is my personal opinion of it, paid or not. Dishwasher detergent can't do all of the work for you. So for those of you who would rather blame me or your dishwasher detergent rather than taking a look at your manual, because yes, many manuals do actually have diagrams showing you exactly how to load your dishwasher correctly for your specific model. This one even shows you how to load the mugs so that they don't have water pooling on the top. Here are the bullet points. Don't block the spinny things. After your dishwasher is fully loaded with the racks pushed in, spin the spray arms by hand to make sure they don't hit anything. Don't block the detergent dispenser. Close the door most of the way to see where the dispenser sits with the door closed. A good rule of thumb is to make sure that nothing is parallel to the door because then water can't get into the dispenser to flush the detergent out. And finally, large concave surfaces like the inside of a bowl should be facing downward. And if you have a small concave surface like the bottom of a coffee mug when it's turned upside down, those items should be loaded at an angle to prevent water from pooling. And if you're loading your dishwasher correctly, using your dishwasher correctly, and using a good quality dishwasher detergent, because yes, the quality of your dishwasher detergent can make a difference. If your dishes are still not getting clean, don't blame the detergent, blame the dishwasher, because at that point, it's time to call an appliance repair tech. I hope that helps clear things up.